She was being bashed on social media for her leadership on the enhanced community quarantine. Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte blasted her critics in this Facebook post. Belmonte even told her bashers, she insisted the local government of Quezon City was not slow in bringing aid to residents. In the same Facebook post, Belmonte was able to reply to a critic. While there are those who defended Belmonte, her post led to more bashers online.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.